Jacksonville Emergency Drug Task. For the next 48 minutes, this is the battlefield, where wizards come to dominate. This is where the voice becomes message, where we fight for every inch and every yard. Nothing is forever. Everything must be done. We won't dictate the outcome. You've been warned. This is our house.
Number 67, Mason Cardona. Number 55, Mark Decker. Number 47, Christian Garrido. Number 57, Luke Reed. Number 7, Carter Herrera. Number 12, Connor Jesse. Number 22, Ali Kennedy. Number 29, Benjamin Crosby. Number 8, Ryan Leon. Number 40, Massimo Lucarini. Number 10, Brian Mendoza. Number 53, Anthony Miller. Number 26, Francis Vicente. Number 41, Jonathan Peters. Number 77, Charles Riccardi. Number 19, Marcelo Riccardi. Number 13, John Rico. Number 56, Lorenzo Rowe. Number 63, Calvin Osh. And number 46, Michael Roninger. That is your Mighty Might Wizard!